Now question of the day. Our target determine voltmeter reading and ammeter reading. Okay. What will be the current by ammeter and potential difference between S and T. So basically voltmeter reading and ammeter reading. Determine. First case, if P is connected to Q. Look here. If P is connected to Q, so circuit like represent like that one. Now, and this one is a 5 ohm resistance. So what about current in this circuit? Very simply, this one is what about voltmeter reading? If you determine current in this branch, then you can find out current. Okay. Then we got voltmeter reading. Okay. So voltage across this one equal to voltmeter reading. Okay. So what about current? Look here. Here minus 2 plus, here minus 2 plus, here minus 2 plus, here plus 2 minus. So 2, so minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus 5 into, suppose that here current I. So 5 into I, this be equal to 0. So what about I this be equal to 6 by 5 ampere. Clear? So current reading is how much? 6 by 5 ampere. Means, what is the meaning of that one? 6.5 means 1.2. Okay. That is ammeter reading is how much? 1.2 ampere. And what about voltmeter reading? Voltmeter is written simply I into R. So I into 5. So if that value put here 6 by 5 into 5, then we got how much? 6 volt. So 6 volt is the right answer. Clear? So 6 volt. Okay, voltmeter reading is how much? 6 volt. Now second, if P is connected to M, if that P is connected to M, then how can determine? Look here. So here first of all, right now here 1.2 ampere and 6 volt. Now if these two are connected, then what about current? Simply 2 plus 2, 4, 4 by 5. So I this be equal to 4 by 5. Okay. Clear? So ammeter reading is how much? 0.4. 4 by 5 in 0.8. So 0.8 ampere. And what about voltmeter reading? Voltmeter reading is how much? Simply plus minus. So I 5 V this be equal to I into 5. So 5 into 4 by 5. So basically 4 volt. So basically 4 volt. So that is 4 volt. Clear? Now if P is connected to N, now last one. So what about that current? If P connected to N, then simply 2 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5 is the current. It means 0.4. So 0.4 ampere. And what about voltmeter reading? Voltmeter reading is how much? V this be equal to 5 into 2 by 5. So final answer is how much? 2 volt. So 2 volt. Clear or not? So final answer represent like that one. If P connected to Q, then we got current ammeter reading 1.2 ampere and voltmeter reading is 6 volt. After that, if P connected to M, then ammeter reading 0.8 and voltmeter reading 4. And after that, if P connected to N, then ammeter reading is how much? 0.4 and voltmeter reading is how much? 2 volt. Okay, make it.